Hey guys, it's Quigley again with another ROM review, and this time I've got Archidroid version 1.7.3. And for those who don't know Archidroid series, there are two series available. One is the V2 series, which is based on aftermarket firmware like CyanogenMod, and the latest one is based on Omni ROM. So that's there. I've already made a VR of that. This one, that is V1 series, is based on Samsung's stock ROM. So this one, that is the v7.3, is based on Samsung's XXUGMK6, which is the latest version by them, 4.3. So yeah, what you see here is the Nova launcher, and if you have seen the installation guide, which I have uploaded, that covers a lot of things. The ROM is 700 megs, but it has a lot of customization options. You can choose what all you want. It offers two themes. I'm using the AOSP theme, that is KitKat theme, and it does have stock theme also. And you can see the DPI setting is all messed up, right? So it is 280 DPI. I'm running 280 DPI. It also offers 240 DPI and stock 320 DPI. What DPI makes is that lower DPI means smaller icons and smaller stuff, so more realistic. That's what it means. So yeah, let's go to settings and begin. So you can see the settings that are also the 4.3 theme setting. It is a stock ROM, so don't worry about it. So you can see it is based on Android 4.3. The baseband version is MK6. And build number is 1.7.3 stable, and this is a stable version, and I highly believe that, because this one really, it's fast ROM. I have to say this is a fast ROM. You can see the animations and stuff, they are not fast, because in the developer settings it is changed to 0.5, I guess. Yeah, the transition animation scale and duration scale is changed to 0.5, which is lower than which is faster than the normal value of 1x. So that's because of that. Okay, now what else do we have here? You might be able to see the info there, right, in the status bar. That is this one. It is actually an app called CoolTool. I guess Archidroid is famous for CoolTool. It shows you the CPU usage, the megahertz at which it is running, the memory available, that is 260 megs, temperature of your core, I guess, network usage, and S. I don't know what S means, but that is available at a glance on the status bar, so that's pretty cool, right? Now, yeah, it always runs. You can select it, deselect it, whatever. It is available in the aroma for you to choose if you want it or not. If you want a cleaner looking ROM, my suggestion is not to use it. So that's it. What else do we have? I've selected almost all the app except for the inverted app. Go see my installation guide to see all of that. It does have better battery stats, which is an awesome tool to know what is draining your battery. You can see a lot of stuff from there, so if you have any kind of battery draining issues, you can use that. It comes with 4 kernel choices. I personally prefer Boifla kernel, so I have selected Boifla kernel. So you can see Boifla config v2. It also has presets for the Boifla kernel. I have selected performance preset, so I guess that is why the transition duration and scale is 0.5. So that's pretty cool. What else does this have? Rest of them are similar to what you would expect from a Samsung stock 4.3 ROM. It has most of the options of that. It doesn't try to be another ROM like Note 3 or S4. It is an S3 ROM. One thing I did notice is that it does give you an option for light effect, but light effect doesn't work. I'm not sure why. Yeah, it is the normal no effects. So I'm not sure why light effect is not working. It's there if you want to feel good about it. So it does have motion settings, not the smart functionality. That smart is just for Note 3 and Note 3 imitating ROMs. It has smart say and smart rotation. Nothing else. Doesn't have smart scroll or smart pause. So that's something which I wanted to talk about. Other than that, it is essentially a bloatware free ROM. You can't see, you won't see actually Samsung apps or hub or anything like that. You can download the bloatware zip file. I guess it is also an aroma package. You can download the aroma zip file and see if it is working or not. So that's entirely up to you if you want to use all the bloatware and stuff. I personally have downloaded the aroma package and I will flash it and see if I can use this myself. So I guess that much is it about the ROM. As I've said, this is a really fast ROM, and I would like to show you guys the features which the developer says. First of all, aroma flexibility during flashing. It does have a lot of things. Built in is kind of like great options for you guys to have. Archidroid backend, it's something which works in the background. I guess it's a lot of INITD tweaks which makes it all work. So that's really, I really do find that to be true. You can see the transition effects, right? Most of the time, I use the transition effect to see if the ROM is fast or not. If the ROM uses a transition effect and if it's fluid and it's fast, I kind of use it for 1 or 2 days. You can see it's almost instantaneous. It's pretty cool. What else do we have here? I'll show you guys the boot animation. So here is the boot animation. I guess it should have a boot sound too. It did have a boot sound when I first booted it, so I don't know if that's a one-time event or not, but hey, it's there. So I wanted to show you guys the benchmarking stuff. It is actually benchmarking. As you can see, the cool tool displays the amount of usage, CPU usage. It's showing 100% CPU and 1600 megahertz, that's 1.6 gigs. Is being used. I guess it overclocks itself, so that's pretty cool. It does work that way. Let's see what score it gets. So there you have it. It is faster than Nexus 10 and it is kind of like the fastest I've got with a stock ROM well, it is on Bayfleck, so that might be a consideration, that might be a factor. So that's pretty cool. I guess that is actually a commendable score for a stock ROM. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the ROM. Yeah, I did use Titanium backup to restore it. So I guess that much is it about the ROM. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.